So in case you're going through Canton, I suggest going probably through St. Lawrence, or actually better case you go through Morley or through Edwards. No, Edwards would be good. Go through Morley. That'd be much better. Going through Canton, because some people have had bad luck is taking 45 minutes to go through Canton. And it's like only a mile, so yeah. It's not bad here, but back up there, that's only the start of it, and it's backed up like a mile from there, all the way to like the light on the other side of the bridge. So I saw like a bolt of lightning strike over there somewhere. About a minute and a half ago, heard thunder about 10 seconds later. So it was, I think if I remember the old rule, 10 miles away. Thunder and lightning don't always come together, but lightning is with thunder about 99% of the time. The other 1% of the time, lightning will come alone. That other 0.5% of the time, lightning will come alone, and the remaining 0.5% of the time, thunder will come alone. They don't actually cause each other. Well, they can cause each other, but they don't always cause each other. Well, I haven't heard thunder. I'm heading out. I haven't seen lightning. Guys, this is now a stream or a river. There's supposed to be more storms and rain in about half hour. This is like a major storm. It only lasted about 15 minutes, but kind of wreaked a lot of havoc. It's overloading that. So here's your traffic jam. Especially all the way down to the bridge, which is out of sight because of the hill over there. Here's the other section of the traffic jam. Here comes the other cars to finish it up. Till late. Here's the other section of the traffic jam. Grandpa at the log house. Have a little bit of work to do up there. Walking through the woods to get up there. check out the trail on the way up. See if there's anything down on the way.